NASA's DART asteroid impact mission revealed ages of twin space rock targets. New finding shows Dimorphos was formed by material shed from Didymos around zero point 0.3 million years ago. Scientists have used the images to collect by NASA's DART asteroid impact mission to paint a more detailed picture of its asteroid targets Didymos and Dimorphos. The research could help better understand the formation and evolution of binary asteroids such as these. DART, which stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test, only impacted the smaller body in the double asteroid binary system, the moonlet Dimorphos, which orbits the largest space rock Didymos. Still, the aim was to see what influence such an impact would have on both bodies. The data collected during this successful mission could help the scientists better plan a planetary defense mission to divert an asteroid on collision course with the Earth. Before crashing into Dimorphos on September 26, 2023, DART was able to take images of the two near-Earth asteroids.